Hello children. So once again I am here. Now I hope you remember that in the last videos I have told you that you have to start learning the chapters which we have completed till now. So I hope you have completed with chapter number 1. So today I will take a small test of chapter number 1. I have prepared one test paper for you. This is a revision test, you can say. And as we do in school, we complete this test in one period only. So you will take 30 to 40 minutes to complete this thing. And first of all, what you have to do is please learn the whole thing, the whole chapter. After learning, keep the book aside, take your copy, take out the fresh page, the CW copy, and whatever the question I have given you in this video, please copy down in the rough copy. From the rough copy, you will see the questions and directly you will write the answer in your computer CW copy. Then what you have to do is only write the answers and then set your mobile or an clock for 30 to 40 minutes. More than 40 minutes will not be allowed. Then sit with either your mother or father. After completing, hand over the copy to them. They will check the thing. If any answer is wrong, then you will write it 2 times. If any spelling is wrong, then you will write it 5 times. If any word from the exercise is wrong, then you will write it 5 times. So these are the rules and regulations for how you have to follow a revision test. Please follow it nicely so that your revision will be side by side. We can do the revision as well, and we can continue with our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, which we are going through. So every week I will take test now. So a test should be followed like this only. So children, be prepared for this. Now please take a rough copy and copy down the questions which I am giving you for the test. Take out your rough copy. Now see here. This is test computer chapter number 1 class 4. The first question is write full form of the following. First ROM, second MB, third DVD, fourth CD, 5 USB. So what you have to write is, you have to write the full forms. Now come to the next question. Tick the correct answers. What type of memory storage is RAM? Temporary or permanent? Which disk is permanently fixed inside the CPU box? Hard disk or compact disk? Come to the next one. What is not the other name of primary memory? Internal or auxiliary? Fourth, what is the full form of DVD? Digital versatile disc, or second is digital video disc. Fifth, dash is not a secondary device. DVD or RAM. So these are the choose the correct answers. You will copy down the questions in your rough copy and directly you will write this answer. What you will do after completing this, what you will do is, secondly, write the question, take the correct answer, and then write number 1 and directly write which is the correct answer from this. So this you will do like this. Then come to question number 3, true or false. RAM stands for random access memory. Either it is true or false, you have to write it in the box. When you will write it in the copy third question, true or false. Copy down number 1. Don't write the full sentence, only write true or false. Second, a CD can hold more data than DVD, true or false. Then fourth, answer the following. What is a bit? How is it related to a byte? Question number 2, difference between RAM or ROM. Question number 3, why is secondary memory important in computer? What is the use of hard disk? Question number 4. Question number 5. What is a RAM? Question number 6. What are the types of RAM? Question number 7. How many types of memory are there in a computer? Draw the diagram also. Now where it is written draw the diagram, then you have to draw the diagram. Got it, children? Now it should be a surprise test. So don't see these answers, see this question and then start writing, then start learning and then write the answers. No, don't do like this, please. First of all, learn the whole lesson, and then after learning the lesson, you have finished learning, then keep the book aside, take your copy, don't do any cheating. Please, parents, just see to it. It is a kind of test only. So, in this way, you can perform the test and you can learn the chapters nicely. Got it? So, this is a type of a revision test. So, be ready for this. And I have told you, if any answer is wrong, you will write it 2 times. If any spelling mistake is there, write it 5 times. If any word is wrong, then again write it 5 times. So this is the small question paper for you. I am reading it once more. What is the full form of ROM? Second is MB. Third is DVD. Fourth is CD. Fifth is USB. Take the right correct answer. What is the type of memory storage? Is RAM temporary or permanent? Which disk is permanently fixed inside the CPU box, hard disk or compact disk? What is not the other name of primary memory, internal or external? Internal or auxiliary? What is the full form of DVD, digital versatile disk or digital video disk? Dash is not a secondary device, DVD or RAM. True and false. RAM stands for random access memory. Second, a CD can hold more data than a DVD. Now answer the following question. What is bit? How is it related to a byte? Difference between RAM and ROM. What is secondary memory important in computer? Why is secondary memory important in computer? What is the use of hard disk? What is RAM? What are the types of RAM? How many types of memory are there in computer? Draw the diagram. So this is the first test of revision. Thank you and all the best.